Says, Ty, booked my first dentist for a company profile video. How can I offer more services without seeming desperate, a little nervous? You got to look at it like this, right? Whenever your doctor refer more things to you, do they ever seem desperate or nervous? They don't, right? Because they're offering you a solution. They've evaluated your issue to the point where they have legitimate solutions, right? They don't seem desperate. They don't be like, oh, we can get you a knee brace too, now. You want a back brace to go with that? They don't do that, right? You trust them. Why do you trust your doctor? Think about it. Why do you trust your doctor? You trust your doctor because when you walked in there, your doctor didn't try to sell you nothing. They weren't a drug dealer. They evaluated your situation and they made recommendations. Don't offer a service, recommend a service. And when you make a recommendation, let it be based on actual things. Hey, you guys have great reviews on Google, 5-star reviews. You have 200-300 of them. I would definitely recommend we create video testimonials so that we can show some of those clients and get maybe before and after pictures or express how happy they were with their service in a video format on your website. Because sometimes a lot of clients don't make it to your Google site to see your reviews. So it would be great to have at least 3 on your website so that when clients come to your website, they'll see from other clients how happy they are with going with your brand or service. Those are recommendations based on what I've seen, based on, hey, we're not getting enough clients, we need video. Okay. You need more than just a video explaining what you do and where you're at. You need videos explaining why they should do business with you over choosing a different dentist. So always make recommendations. We don't offer, we recommend. If you subcontract a drone operator, what should I have in my contract? Should all insurances go through his or mine? Anything I should look out for? Okay, so you want to use the second shooter agreement contract. That's first. Secondly, if you're getting event insurance or you're using event insurance for yourself, it'll cover it. Or if you have it for your business, it'll cover it. Also, I wouldn't hire a drone operator that's not insured. So you're triple covered. That's just how I've normally operated. Any drone operator that's looking to be hired and they're not insured, I don't trust you because you're not handling your business. How do you balance that process with making the video look original and not look like another client's or previous client's video? Let me ask you a question. When you went to McDonald's, did you care if your burger looked like the last burger that came off the grill? You probably didn't. You was focused on yours. The harsh, dirty truth is it's probably going to look like another client's video. I mean, it won't because it's different shots. If I take your talking head and your B-roll and I shoot the exact same timing for another client, it will not look the same. They will never catch on. I would have to have the same music and everything. In my opinion, this is my opinion here, there's really nothing wrong with that. What do you purchase in your life that's uniquely designed for just you? Not your shirt, not your shoes, not your socks, not your car. The idea of being super creative is great for music videos, but for corporate America, it doesn't need to be drastically different. I mean, because think about it. What should sell your video is what worked for the last company. Like, this is an investment. We were able to create content for them that did X, Y, and Z. A lot of people create that for me. So does uniqueness of the project at hand dictate the price you charge? Not at all. Nope. We have set base pricing for us to even get out of bed and come up there and do what we got to do. Now, it will dictate the price of pre-production. Now, if y'all want us to come up with this crazy idea and you want us to be super unique, we can come up with that idea, but we're going to charge you in that area. But when we show up to shoot it, we go by time, how many hours we're going to be there, what size crew I need, what gear I need. So uniqueness only changes the price when it pushes the scale of the project. And we have, a system or a structure in place to allow us to charge accordingly. Yes and no. If we had a client that said, you know what, I want you to film all our stuff vertical instead of landscape, wouldn't change nothing. We just know to bring a different tripod. That's something to definitely think about. How to deal with another creator devaluing your brand. Roll up on them and give them these hands, bro. No, I'm joking. Don't do that. By offering more value. Mercedes explains why their cars are better than BMW all the time. They don't directly knock them. They don't say BMW's trash. They'll do things like you'll get 2 inches more headroom and 25 more horsepower when you choose the Mercedes E-Class over the BMW blah, blah, blah. That's how companies do that. they'll talk about the areas in which they exceed their competition. And if you notice it, like when you look at car companies, it's always like really selective stuff. So, you can definitely do the same with your brand without dogging somebody out. Should we charge extra for those type of shoots on fly zones that require us extra time to contact FAA? Yes. I always charge clients extra if they're in a no-fly zone. What's the address? Where we're shooting at? Oh, you guys are 5 miles from an airport. I'm going to have to get clearance from a flight tower to see if it's even possible. Now, the thing is this, often it don't cost you anything just to get clearance, but you can charge extra for it. Would you put these certificates on your website, such as FAA? If your niche is drone heavy, yes, that is something that people who are looking to hire would want to see. They will want to see that you're insured, you have your FAA license. They will want to see those things. Those are things I would definitely have on my website.